If you're planning on starting a new home project, whether it's painting a bedroom or installing new countertops, you need to make sure you have the right pro in your corner. In today's Ask Angie segment, Bailey Carson shares her tips for finding the right pro.
Hiring the right pro for your home project is one of the easiest ways to set yourself up for success. Bailey Carson, a home care expert at Angie, is here to walk us through choosing the right pro.
To get started on your home project, one of the first things to do is talk to some pros. If you have a go-to pro, start with them. If you need help finding pros, check out Angi.com or the Angie app to find trusted, high-quality pros in your area. Once you've come up with a short list of pros, make sure to take a look at ratings, check references, and read reviews.
If your home project is complex, don't just choose the first pro to give you an estimate. You'll be working closely with your pro throughout the project, so it's important for you to find someone who you're comfortable with. Talk to several pros to ensure you have the best fit possible.
Talk to your pro about the scope, timing, and pricing of the project. Give them as many details as you can so they can be as accurate as possible in helping you estimate what the timeline and the pricing might be. You'll also want to inquire as to what percentage of their projects are completed on time and in budget. I'd encourage you to get in-person quotes, as this will help you make sure that they have all those details right by showing them where they'll be doing the work.
And make sure to get everything in writing, especially pricing quotes and timeline estimates. Having the information in writing will help you decide between multiple pros if you're on the fence. And it can also help protect you if problems arise later in the process.
Before you book your project, you need to get comfortable with the pricing, the timeline, the quality, and the communication style of your pro. Be sure to ask for the license and insurance information, examples of their past work, and also how they handle unexpected events or disruptions, as they're inevitable in many cases. Once you know that you've asked all the right questions, you can book confidently and know your project is going to be done well, on time, and in budget.
Do you have questions about home projects? Well, tweet them using the hashtag #AskingAngie, and you may get some tips in an upcoming segment.